Something very, very simple on Canva for people that have not used Canva before. So now let's design a simple card. Yes, simple card. So let me go to a simple card that you can send to your friends. So I'm going to design just one for my husband. So you're going to design one for your own husband too, or for your friends, people that are close. This time you need to say thank you to people. So I will design one so you can follow the format and design yours. So okay, so let me just go to let's go to template. Let's click on cards. Cards. Even though I don't want to use that, but let's click on cards. So it's only showing us business card. You see, plenty business card, thank you card, and so on. Everything better when we are together. So you can use this. So, but for me, I don't want to use this one. I don't want to use this one. So let's design something very, very simple. So I'll just go to create. I'll go to social media. Let's click on social media. Then I'll click on, let's click on this Instagram post 4x5. This one. Okay. Let's do something very, very simple. So okay, so this is it. So, okay, so I'm going to change the background color. I'm going to click the color. I'm going to change the background color to, let me see. Let me increase it. My colors are still loading, so let me just wait. So as my colors are loading, I can go to elements. My page is still loading. So let's wait and see what it's going to give us. Okay, so we have our element now. So like I said, I'm designing for couple. So I'll just come here. I'll go to elements. I'll click on elements and I'll go to here. I'll come here. Then I'll click on couple. Couples. Just click on couple and click on this purple button. This is for people that don't know how to use Canva at all. Something very, very simple that you can design. So just touch this. Then you see it here. You see these pictures. I'm not using pictures. I'm using graphics. So under graphics, click on see all. You see all. You see plenty pictures. You see some of them are free. Like this one are free. These ones are free. So how do I get to know the one that is free? Just come to price. You see, just scroll like this, move like this, come to price and click on free. So everything you'll be seeing is going to be free in case you are using Canva. So it's not about Canva Pro now. You see plenty things. So let me choose. I think I love this one. I love this one. All of them are fine. All of them are fine. So just bring this one in. Okay. So, okay. So click on test. Click on test. So for example, being a teacher, you can start thinking of how to design one for your principal, for your fellow teachers. So just type teacher. Type, go to element and type teacher and look for pictures and do your own. So let me just go for this. Let me click on heading first. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. So let's see. So I'll bring this one down. I'll just click on this. Okay, I'll reduce the size. I'll click on magic write. Please rewrite. Let's see what it's going to give us. Thank you very much. You can use anyone. Okay. So now I'm done. I'm okay with this. So now I'll go back to body test. I'll go to test and I'll click on body. Let me bring. I'll click on this body. I'll bring it down. Then I'll click on this pencil. So transform test. Okay. Write a short letter to my husband, being a lovely man or lovely person in my life. So you can write for people very close to you. So just click on that submit button. You are not going to do you are not going to write anything. So this is it. So dearest husband, you write, you add the name. I hope this letter finds you well. So this, okay. So just click on, you read through. Okay. So just click on replace. Okay. So if this is too long, just click on this pencil again, this purple magic write, and tell it to shorten it. Okay. Okay. So this is it. Okay. So this is it. So I'll just reduce it. I'll come to font size. I'll make sure it's 12. But so this is 18. So this is very okay. So I'll click out. And I'll click on this my magic write again. I'll go to change voice because I have my brand voice. I'll say apply brand voice. Okay, apply brand voice. Change voice. Apply my brand voice. Let's see the way it's going to write it. talk like me. That's what it means. My dearest husband, I hope you are doing great. I want to say how grateful I am. You see all of this with all my love. So this is it now. So I'll just come here and I'll come here and I will remove this one. This my dearest husband. Me, I don't want this one. Okay. Okay. My love. Go and design your own. No, I'm not teaching you for fun. No. So then you write your name. Your own name. I'll add my name. Kikelomo. Kikelomo. Olani. Okay. Okay. So okay, I'll make sure. Okay. I don't want plenty space. Okay, so this is it. Then I'll change my font to Montserrat. Let's go and look for my fonts. For a beautiful font. Okay, I can use this font if I like. Then I can come here and use Montserrat. Just search under fonts, just search for months. Months. It's going to come out. Montserrat. It's going to come out now. All results. Months. Montserrat. It's going to come out now. Okay, it's going to come out. So this is it. So I'll just click on this arrow. We have different sizes. You see? So I want regular. So you see now it's better now. Then this one, the heading. I want this. I can change my fonts to great vibe. Just like this one. Okay. So you see it. You see it. Everything is coming out well. Okay. So I can use my left alignment. If I want to go use my left alignment, just come to this format. Click here. You see? You see? Anyone. So you can either choose this or this. Okay. So I'll use center. Let me center. It's okay. So let me change the background. The background color. Now I have my colors. It's very simple to design. Oh. Shall you see now? Go and design one for your teacher. Oh. Then if you like one and you want to go back, just click on this back. Then front. You see it now? So this is it now. So you see it now? Very simple. I write my name. My name is there already. Oh. I can put my dates. I can put dates. I can put whatever I want. But this is a very simple design for you to create. So let's if in case I want to use my own picture, my husband's picture. So I'll just delete this. I'll delete this. I'll come to elements. You see plenty pictures. You see couples. That these are free. Oh. All of them are free. This is another one. All of them are free that you can use and send to your husband. They are free. They are free. This is for people that have not used Canva before. Oh. This is a very beginner friendly class. So delete this one now. So go to elements. So okay, I'll go to elements and search for grid. Just type grid, enter. So this is it. So you can look for anyone. So I think I'll be using this one. Okay. So this is it. So I'll bring this one down. Okay. Then this one is okay. Then I'll go to pictures. Go to picture. Go and come to upload. You should have your husband's picture there or yourself. Yourself picture. So let me just look for copies here. You and your husband or your husband's picture or your teacher, somebody that you want to do the small card for him. So yeah, assuming this is your picture now. So assuming this is your picture, just put it here. You see it now? So don't tell me you cannot design. No, bring this one here. This one should be white. So you see now? Okay. Then I'll go to, I can bring this one, I can minimize it and bring this one. Then bring this one down. Or I can click this and go to element and search for thank you. Thank you. So it's going to bring a lot for us. You see it now? Under graphics, go to graphics and pick, you see different ones, you see? See? So you can just pick this. You can pick this and just change the font to white. See it now, and we are good to go. I don't want to teach you any extra thing so that you will not be afraid to practice. So let me just stop here. So now the more you design with Canva, the more you fall in love with it. So just click this arrow here. Just click this arrow. Come to download. Then you can increase it. If you're using free, you might not be able to increase it, but I'm not using free, so I'll just come here. Then I can download any of the pages. I'm on current page 3, the one with picture. So just click on download. Don't download. So let's have pictures. And I will send it to my husband like that. You see it? And I'll just send it. Ooh, very simple to do. Very simple to create. So tell me why you are not using Canva. Let's download and download again. Let's download and download. It's okay. Download. I'll come to the first one here. Okay, I'll just click on number the first one, download. So download. Because it is free, they are not taking any money from me. Montserrat is free. The picture is also free. Here you see. You see it? Yeah, let's look at the pictures. So this is how you get familiar with Canva. Small like this. Small. You see it now? See this one? Small. So go and design for your teacher, for your proprietors, anybody that is close to you. Go and design. It's free. Go and design and send to them and say thank you. You need to do it. So see you in the next video. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.